Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and my daughter and I have both been really enjoying using these Sharpie S-Note markers. Check out all of the colors that they come in. They are so much fun, and it really lets you get to work with your imagination. What I love about these S-Note markers is that they're not your typical Sharpie permanent marker. You can use these on thinner paper. You can use these to highlight instead of cover over, and they are great for personal planners. They're great for doodling. I love that they have the chisel tip, so that way you can use the chisel tip to get a nice wide line, which is great for highlighting, or you can use just the tip part and you can get a finer line. So they're really versatile in the way you can use them. And again, I can't reiterate enough, look at all these great colors. They really are a beautiful set, and we both have loved using them. And that's our point of view.